Welcome to our travel channel, your ultimate guide to holiday booking services, vacation home purchases, and exploring special destinations. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first big trip, our channel is designed to inspire and inform. Our content is meticulously crafted to help you make the most of your travel experiences. Whether you're looking to book a holiday, buy your dream vacation home, or plan a special event, we've got you covered with expert advice and insider tips. We offer comprehensive holiday booking services, guiding you through the entire process from start to finish. Our goal is to make your travel planning as seamless and enjoyable as possible. We take care of every detail so you can relax and enjoy your trip. Discover stunning vacation homes available for purchase. Our showcases will help you find the perfect getaway spot. Explore our travel guides featuring special destinations. From Egypt to the UK, we highlight the best places to visit. Planning a wedding or a special event. Our expert tips and guides will make your planning seamless and memorable. We bring you a variety of content, including destination guides, vacation home showcases, and special event planning tips. Plus, don't miss our affiliate links for travel services and packages. Check out some of our popular topics: top travel destinations in Egypt and the UK, buying your dream vacation home in the Maldives, planning a perfect wedding in Thailand, VIP villas in Japan, elite heaven experiences. Our services are expanding, initially focusing on Egypt, the UK, Cyprus, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. We're excited to extend our reach to the Maldives, Thailand, Indonesia, and Japan. Visit our website for dedicated sections and follow us on social media for the latest updates and promotions. Our content is optimized for search engines, ensuring you find the most relevant information with ease. Stay informed with our regularly updated blogs and articles.